be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rock TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let's talk about Jordan 2s. Okay, I know a lot of people don't particularly like this model of Jordans. It's one of the more slept on or ranked at the bottom Jordans in the 1 through 15, 1 through 14 models. All right, a lot of people just don't like the way that it looks, but if you go back and look at my Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle, you'll see that the Jordan 2s actually won round 2 of the battle because of the comfort of the shoe. They are a very, very comfortable shoe. Probably the most comfortable shoe in the first, maybe all of them. They might be one of the most comfortable Jordan 2s, or Jordans period. They might be the most comfortable Jordan. But I wanted to get into Jordan 2s and talk about 2s for the day. So I wanted to also show you the Jordan 2s that I have in my collection, starting with this one. All right. This was the first Jordan 2 that I had in my collection. This is the OG one, if I'm not mistaken. No? I love this one. White and red. Boom. Let's see. Is there something on the inside? Boom. You see the red insole, white Jumpman there. 2-3 there behind the tongue. And then the Air Jordan Wings logo there on the tongue. My favorite thing about Jordan 2s, that cushion. Look how much cushion is on the tongue. And then on the inside there, all this cushion. It's so much cushion. This is what makes it so comfortable to me, is because of all that cushion. Nike on the back. This colorway is just, it's just so clean. It's just such a clean colorway. Boom. Does it show it there? On this one, for some reason, it doesn't, but I'll get into what I'm looking for here. You see Jordan on the bottom there. Red, white, gray colorway. All right. So this was the first Jordan that I had. All right. And get this to the side. And let me bring in the second one that I got. Boom. The Radio Raheem Jordan 2. I remember I went up to Penn Square Mall and did a whole vlog on these. These were easy to pick up. I walked right into the store, picked them up, came out to my car and did a shoe review. You can find that on my channel. But man, as you can see there, look at the 2-3 on the back. It's different colors. And then your typical Air Jordan on there. Wings logo. I like how on the eyelets, they're all different colors. You see that blue, pink, orange there. Did I mention the blue Nike on the back? This is probably my favorite of the Jordan 2s. I like probably my most worn Jordan 2. It seems to go with most everything that I have. As you can see, like, it's creasing on the side there. Like, I really rock these. Look at the bottom. Boom. But what I was going to get into that the other one didn't have is the size. Of course, this one says Nike instead of Jordan, but I like that they put the size on the bottom of Jordan 2s. So you see that 14 there. But yeah, man, on the inside, blue insole, black Jumpman. All right, Radio Raheem Jordan 2s. All right, now we'll go into what I believe I got next. were these. The UNC Jordan 2 lows. Alright. Blue on the back there. And then on the inside, you have your red, which looks like a dark navy blue kind of Jumpman. Your stitching kind of going around here with that UNC blue. I know the light is kind of catching it, but you can see that blue going around there on the stitching. I think that's a nice touch. Still, even though it's a low, we have a pretty thick tongue. Of course, not as thick as the high, but it's a pretty thick tongue. Nice cushion there. I just love that about Jordan 2s. It's got so much cushion. Alright. And then there's the bottom with Nike again. And that one has the 14 as well. Sizing. Alright, so that's the UNC Jordan 2 lows. And then next, I'm sorry, this is one that I haven't worn it yet. I know I've had it for years, but I haven't worn it yet. The K54 Jordan 2s. Man, these are beautiful. These are absolutely beautiful. Gold all around. Man, look at the tongue. Let me see if I can lower that. Look at that tongue. Nice. And then on the back, you got your 2-3 there. And then on the inside of these, you have the K54 logo there. P75. I'm not sure what that means, but you get the drift. These are dope, man. Translucent bottom. And you got your logo there. And then also your sizing. I'm not sure why the red ones don't have the sizing there on the bottom. But very nice. I like the lace holes, the eyelets, all are gold going around these. These are very nice. Look, I still got the protective film going around in the back here. That's how you know I ain't even thought about wearing these, but yeah, very dope, man. I'll bring them out at some point. All right, put these to the side. I gotta say here that there was a different shoe that I had. It was the Carmelo Anthony, the Denver Nuggets 2s. Man, I sold those because I thought that I would never wear them. And I don't have very many sneaker regrets. Like, I know you guys see a big wall of shoes. You probably think I just keep collecting, but I get rid of a lot of them too. And that was one that I shipped off. I said, I'm not going to wear these. And that's a sneaker regret. I should not have sold those. I'm not going to go out and find them and buy them again. Maybe if they re-release them again, but I'm not about to rush out and go to GOAT or anything and buy them again. But man, I regret getting rid of those. Those were dope. All right. The next one that I have came in this pack. If you all remember this pack, this is, let me grab them out of here. Boom. This is from that Converse and Jordan pack. All right, the UNC, the Chicago colorway. You see the MJ there. So you got your your UNC, and then you got your Bulls colorway there. All around. I have worn these. You can't see that they're laced up, dirty on the bottom. I have worn these. These haven't just been sitting around. Chicago Bulls colors there. You can see that on the back there with the 2-3. Very clean shoe. Boom. Nike on the bottom. And your size 14, of course. But also, if you guys were wondering what the other shoe was in here, it was these Converse Fast Breaks. Alright. Converse Fast Break. These are a very comfortable shoe. I haven't worn them in a while, but I have worn them. Just not in a little while. But these are a very comfortable shoe. I really like these when I saw this pack, and I really wanted to have this pack. Alright, so we'll put those back. And that brings us to my most recent pickup. Alright, let's go ahead and bring it in. Boom. Man, my lighting is really killing it, but there's the box. Air Jordan 2. Alright. Boom. You see those wings. Alright. These are the Air Jordan 2 Retro. Colorway is white, lucky green, and sail. Alright. Got these in a size 14, of course. So let's go ahead and get into them, man. Typical paper, nothing special there. But, of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clean, very clean. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 2 Lucky Green. Man, these are nice. These are nice. I tried to resist. I said, nah, you don't need these. You don't need these, Roth. You don't need the cop. But they're too nice. They were so nice to me that I said, I gotta get me a pair before they mess around and sell out. And I know they're still available in some places, but the bigger sizes have been going. So I'm glad that I actually was able to snag a pair before they all completely went away, and then I'd be regretting it like I do my Denver Nugget 2s. Why did I get rid of those, man? Those were dope. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, very nice colorway. Very reminiscent of the white and red. That's another thing that, you know, attracted me to these, because I said, man, they're just pretty much a green version of this one. I still don't get why there's not a size tag on the bottom. These are the only ones also that say Jordan on the bottom and not Nike. But anyway, does the UNC? No, all of them say Nike on the bottom except for the red ones. But man, very clean colorway there. Not like green isn't necessarily my favorite color, but it's very nice. It looks great on these. The stitching going around here, it's a nice touch. It kind of looks like it fades almost. It's really green, and then it kind of goes into a black to go up, and then back into a green going around the back. Your green Nike there, and then you have your Wings logo there, your green Wings logo, but there is no tag on the back. Like every other pair, there is a tag, but there isn't one here. There is no tag that says 2-3 on the back there, which is weird. And then on the insole, these have Nike Air instead of a Jumpman like the others have. All the others have a Jumpman on the bottom, or in this case it's the K54 insole. This one had the Jumpman on the insole, but these have Nike Air. So that's different. Another big difference with these is that they don't come laced. These are unlaced like Jordan 1s. So you gotta do your own lace job, which is cool. I don't have a problem doing that, but thought that was very different that these didn't come already laced. Very nice shoe, man. There's the bottom. And then green, gray, Nike, size 14 there at the top. And man, let me take this paper out real quick. Here's, oh, right there. Look at, I know you guys can't see it, but the leather quality on these are pretty soft. These are pretty soft, pretty good leather quality. On maybe not as much. Yeah, actually, going up the side here, still pretty soft. Still pretty soft. I'd say that's pretty good leather quality. Kind of an off-white cream color, not the exact same white that is up here. But yeah, man, I'm glad with how these came out. I'm happy with them. Regular white laces. These will pop, I think, with some green laces. Are there any other laces in here? No? Yeah, if these had like some green laces, these would really pop, man. As they are, I still think they are very nice. They're a very nice shoe. And I'm glad that I went ahead and copped, even though I said, nah, I'm not, I can pass on these. I'm not copping these, but nah, these are dope right here, man. For sure. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. I just wanted to bring you a quick video, and I know I've gone over 15 minutes, but I wanted to show you my twos collection, even though I'm missing one, and I have serious regret. But that's going to do it for these, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.